important interview questions in so many campus interviews will be asked about LCM of two numbers for the freshers who are coming from BSc or BCA or any areas. So they will be asked this type of question. So I already written for reducing the time. Okay, so I will directly explain the analysis of the program directly. Okay, so write a C program for LCM of two numbers. So if you take two numbers, like we know that, let us take an LCM. For example, 2, 4. 2 is one number and 4 is the another number. If we take the LCM, ones to twos and two zeros to ones, and sorry, here we need to put one now. 1 ones 1, like this. So now 2 twos are 4, 4 ones are 4, 2 twos are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So the output is 4. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Okay, now we are going to analyze the program. We have for two numbers, one for entering one number, another for entering another number, n1 and 2. n1, we are going to take the address of n1 is 100, and n2, the address of n2 is 102, and minimum multiplier small m and big M I taken for minimum multiplier. Is the another variable. Is my another variable. It is also having some address like 104. Now after that we are going to perform the CLR SCR to clear the screen. Now I am asking the end user to enter the two numbers. So in the output, so let us go. In the output, we are asking enter two numbers. Enter two numbers. Okay, whenever I ask it for enter two numbers, he will enter 2 and 4. You can take any numbers, 2 space 4 or 2 enter 4. So first digit is 2, that is stored in address of n1, and second digit is going to be stored in n2. That means in the first address the value is 2 and the second address the value is 4. Okay, now we are going to perform the conditional operators. We already studied in the previous classes. So first, this is the condition. If this particular condition satisfies, if it is true, then it will be assigned n1 to minimum multiplier. If it is false, if it is true, it is assigned n1 is assigned to minimum multiplier. If it is false, then n2 is going to be assigned to minimum multiplier. So let us understand what is the condition. N1 greater than n2. What is n1? 2 greater than 4. 2 greater than false is 2 greater than 4 is false. False means the n2 value is going to be stored in minimum multiplier. What is the n2 value? N2 value is 4. 4 is going to be stored in minimum multiplier. Okay. Now n1 greater than n2. So n1 is greater than n2. No, it is false. So that's why n2 is going to be stored here. Now while, we already studied regarding while. While 1 means always it's true. It is infinite loop. We are going to break the loop using a break statement. See here, while 1 means true, it will come and perform this entire statements. Now what is the while loop? What is inside in the while loop? Inside in the while loop, we have if minimum multiplier greater than n1, minimum multiplier is modulus n1. So minimum multiplier is 4. 4 is divided by n1, 2. 2 2s are 4. So the remainder is 0. So n1, nm is modulus n1, which gives the remainder 0. Okay, it is true. We are going to perform the another condition, that is nm is modulus n2. What is the minimum multiplier? 4. 4 is divided by 4. So what is the remainder value? 4 1s are 4. The remainder is 0. So that means it is also, we get 0. 0 is equals to 0. It is also true. So here also we multiplied. First is, so what is first, n1 is modulus with 4, we get the remainder 0. 0 matches with 0 is 2. Second is also 4 is modulus 4. 4 is divided by 4, we get the remainder 0. 0 matches with 0, both are true. So it is going to be prints this particular statement. What is the statement here? LCM of percentage D and percentage D is percentage D. That means N1 is going to be displayed here, N2 is going to be displayed here, and Nm is going to be displayed here. Nm is displayed here. So what is that? LCM of N1, LCM of 2 and 4 is, what is that? 2 and 4 is 4. Okay. So the output is, here I am writing LCM of 2 and 4 is, what is in mm? 4. Okay, it will be displayed. Then break. Break means it comes outside of the entire while loop. So break, whenever you return break, it will be completely break from the entire loop. So that means infinite loop is going to be break. So after that, get ch. Get ch means, so it is going to be displayed. Okay, we know that what is get ch. So this is the program for LCM of two numbers. Thank you.